Hi, good morning, students. Yes, ma'am. Today one table, no? Reverse. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Sindhu, tell the table, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 1 tens are 10, 1 nines are 9, 1 eights are 8, 1 sevens are 7, 1 six are 6, 1 fives are 5, 1 fours are 4, 1 threes are 3, 1 twos are 2, 1 ones are 1.
Good. Harivardhan?
1 tens are 10, 1 nines are 9, 1 eights are 8, 1 sevens are 7, 1 six are 6, 1 fives are 5, 1 fours are 4, 1 threes are 3, 1 twos are 2, 1 ones are 1.
Good. Gargi?
Yes, ma'am. One tens are 10, one nines are 9, one eights are 8, one sevens are 7, one six are 6, one fives are 5, one fours are 4, one threes are 3, one twos are 2, one ones are 1.
Yes. Yuvraj?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you see me?
Yeah, tell, ma'am.
1 tens are 10, 1 nines are 9, 1 eights are 8, 1 sevens are 7, 1 six are 6, 1 fives are 5, 1 fours are 4, 1 threes are 3, 1 twos are 2, 1 ones are 1.
Yes. Good. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now I have to start 8.6 exercise, no? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, the first main, subtract rupees 18.25 from rupees 20.75. It means your bigger number is,
Ma'am, 20.75.
yeah. So from
Ma'am, I
20,
got the answer, ma'am.
yes, good. So we have
Ma'am,
to subtract,
4.50.
yes, good. After you can check the answer, ma. Okay. So 18.25 is there. So we have to subtract. So 5 minus 5,
0,
7 minus 2.
5,
Good. Then 0 minus 8. Otherwise, you know that 20 minus 18, how much?
20 minus 18 is 2, ma'am.
Yes, what is the answer? 2.50. All of you got this answer?
2.50.
Yes. All of you got this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I have given this one as homework, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Those who are not done, write down this one in your rough notes. Fast.
Now we have to write this.
In the rough notes.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
If your answer is correct, means don't want to write.
I wrote.
Yes, good. What about others?
ma'am, I completed writing.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Completed? Yes. Yes, Mahantesh, yours also completed this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So second problem. Here, second one, 202.54 meter from 250 meter. It means we have to subtract 202 from 250. 250 point, there is no value means you can put 00. Okay, then 202.54. We have to subtract, no? Okay,
Ma'am,
here
I
0
have
is there. Very good. Very good. Yes, here 0 is there. Is it possible 0 minus 4?
No, ma'am. We have
No,
to
ma'am.
borrow.
Yes, we have to take borrow from neighbor, isn't it? So here
Yes,
neighbor
ma'am.
also 0 is there. It means we just cross and we have to put 9. So again neighbor 0 is there. It means we have to
9.
cross and put 9. Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am. And here in the next to 0, we have to put 10, right, ma'am? I mean, in the
No,
10.
no, 9 only. Here there is no value. We have to take borrow means there is no value. So that's why we have to put 9 ma. Okay, again neighbor 5 is there, no? So here you can take borrow. So 5 minus 1 means you will get the answer 4. So 1 here,
10, ma'am.
here is 1 0 it become 10. Is there any doubt in this step?
No, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is all of you response me first? Is there any doubt?
No,
No, ma'am.
Okay, done. Yes, good. So 10 minus 4 means?
ma'am. 6.
Yes. 9 minus 5?
Ma'am, 4.
4.
4.
Yes, ma. 9 minus 2?
7.
7.
7.
7. 4 minus 0?
4.
2 minus 2.
0.
0.
Yes, what is the answer?
47.46 is the answer, ma'am.
Very good. All of you
47.
got this answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. Write down. So here, this step is very important. Be alert. Be careful in this step. Okay? Yes, right. Write down. Ma. Today you have school, na?
Yes, ma'am.
There is no holiday to you.
No, ma'am.
Is it completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Then what about others?
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Yes. Sindhu,
Ma'am,
Mahantesh,
what's the
Gargi.
next
Yes,
problem's
ma'am.
answer?
Yes, good. Yes. So I just ask one by one. Yes, third question. Yes, tell Ma Harivardhan. Steps.
Ma'am, in the 8.40 minus 5.36, ma'am, in this, when we subtract 0, when we are subtracting 0 from 6, we have to borrow from the neighbor, ma'am.
Okay.
4 will become 3,
Mm.
and when we carry to 0, it will become 10.
Mm.
10
Then,
minus 6 is equals to 4.
mm.
3 minus 3 is equals to 0.
Good.
8, 8 minus 5 is equals to 3.
Yes, very good.
3.04.
Yes, all of you got this answer.
Yes, ma'am.
3.04 is the right answer. Good. Write down, ma.
Answer is 3.04, right?
Yes, ma. Right answer.
Okay.
Is it completed, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Other? Yes. Mahantesh, Sindhu, Gargi,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Shreya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Done. So next problem. Yes,
Ma'am, can
Gargi,
I?
tell the steps, ma. Yes, I just ask one by one. So many
Yes,
problems
ma'am.
here.
Ma'am, I'll just solve and
Ma'am,
say
the
I'm
E
just
problem, can I?
Next problem, Shreya.
Yeah, that's
Ma'am,
it,
I'm
ma'am.
solving it. Ma'am, I'm solving it. It will take 1 minute, ma'am. 1 second.
Okay. You can solve here only. You just tell the steps. Yes, all of you solve this problem after I just solve on the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I solved, ma'am.
Ma'am, I
Okay,
solved.
good. Okay.
Ma'am, first we have to, while subtracting, we have to do 5.206 minus 2.5051. Then we have to subtract 6 minus 1. That will be 5. And after that, we have to carry from the neighbor. So it will be 0 will be 10 and the 2 will be 1. Then 10 minus 5 is 5. Then 1 minus 0 is 1. After that, we have to, after the point, we have to do 5 minus 2. We will get 3. Ma'am, the
Very
answer is
good.
3155.
Very good. 155. Right answer. All of you got this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Good.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Write down. Very good. Next problem, Shreya. Second main, first problem, Mahantesh. Second main, second problem, Yuraj. Be ready.
Already solved the E problem, so can I tell the direct
Yes.
answer?
Yes. Is it completed writing this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, tell the steps, ma'am, Shreya.
Yes, ma'am. 0.3314
Hmm.
minus
Yes, you
2.
can see the question properly.
Yeah, ma'am.
Read the question first.
Ma'am, 1
E
minute.
question.
Ma'am, sorry, 2.107 kg minus 0.314 kg.
Okay. Yes. Next.
Okay, so ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am, I'm just 2.107. Yeah, ma'am.
Hmm.
1.1
No, you just tell the steps. You just tell the steps.
1.793.
7 minus 4, how much? Start from right side. Okay, 7 minus 4.
3.
Yes, here 0 minus 1. Is it possible?
No, ma'am.
Yes, we have to take borrow from neighbor. Then 1 it becomes 0. Then 0 it become 10.
10.
So 10 minus
9.
1.
9.
Yes. Yes, 0 minus 3. Is it possible?
No, ma'am.
Yes, we have to take borrow from neighbor. It become 2. It become 1. Then 0 it become 10. 10 minus 3.
10. 7.
Yes. So here 1 is there. So 1. What is the answer?
1.793.
Very good. All of you got this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. You can write down now. If you have any doubt, means you can ask me.
No, ma'am, no doubt.
No,
Okay,
ma'am,
good.
no doubt.
Good. Is it completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I got
Next
the answer for the second and first question.
Good. So now we can solve second main first question. Yes, Mahantesh, tell the steps.
9, ma'am, we should write 9.756.
Okay.
6.280.
Very good. There is no value in hundred. Thousands place means we have to put a zero. Good. Yes.
6. 6 plus 6 minus
6
0, 6.
minus 0.
6.
Yes. 5 minus 8.
Ma'am, it is not possible. You should take borrow. 7.
Yeah, we have to take borrow from neighbor.
7
Then 7 it
becomes
becomes
6.
5 it
15.
becomes 15. Good. 15 minus 8.
15 minus 7.
Yes. So 6 minus 2.
4.
Yes. 9 minus 6.
3.
Yes. All of you got this answer. Correct answer is read ma.
Yes, ma'am.
3.476.
3.47.
Yeah. Yes.
Ma'am,
Very
I
good.
got the correct answer.
Very good.
Same here, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Next problem, Yuvraj. Next problem, Sindhu.
Ma'am, I completed.
Good. All of you completed this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Yuvraj.
Yes, ma'am. First, we
The program.
have put to 21.05.
Okay.
Down, we have to put 15.27.
Hmm.
We have to borrow because 5, we can't
Minus subtract.
subtract 5 minus 7. So we
Yes.
have to borrow from 2 because
0 is there. 0 is
yes,
there. Then how much we have to put here?
we have, yes, ma'am, the 9. And
Yes.
here we have to put 10.
Huh?
10.
1 is there. 0. It becomes 0. Okay. Then 5 it becomes 15. Listen carefully. So here 5 minus 7 is not possible. So that's why we have to take borrow from neighbor. Here 0 is there. So that's why we have to put 9. So then we just move neighbor. Then 1 is there. Then it becomes 0. Then
Yes,
here borrow it become here 15.
yes, ma'am.
Understood? Yes, next step.
We have to subtract 15 minus 7
Is
is
how
equal
much?
to 8.
8. Then
9 minus 2 is equal to 7.
yes, good.
Point.
Next.
We have to borrow from neighbor because 0.
0.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 0 minus 5 it's not possible.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
2 it become.
1.
Then 0 it become.
10.
Yes, good. Then
10 minus 5 is equal to 5.
good.
1 minus 1 is equal to 0.
Very good. All of you got this answer. How much ma? Read. Raj.
5.78.
Very good. Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I got the correct answer.
Very good. So you must be
Same, ma'am.
careful here while you are taking borrow from neighbor. So you must be careful. Is there any doubt?
Ma'am, I got the correct answer.
Okay, good.
Ma'am,
Next problem.
I
Yes,
got
ma, you can write up. Yes? What happened?
I wrote, ma'am.
Okay. All of you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Sindhu. Tell
Yes,
the
ma'am.
steps, ma.
Yes, ma'am. 18 point, ma'am, we have to subtract 18.05 from 6.79.
See here. See here. 18 point.
05.
No. How much is the value? 18 point. 5 is
0.5.
there.
50,
Yeah. So
ma'am.
after there is no value means here you can put the 0. You must be careful. So 18 rupees 50 paise is different from 18 rupees 5 paise. Can you understand what I am telling?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Yes, be alert. Yes, next. 18.50 minus
6.79.
yes. See here, you have to put 6 in the ones place. Don't confuse.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, here there is no value means 0.
0.
Yes. Then
Ma'am,
subtract
we
ma.
can do 0 minus 9, so we have to borrow from the neighbor. The
Okay.
5 will become 4 and the 0 will become 10. 10
Good.
minus 9 is equal to 1.
Okay.
And we can't do 4 minus 7, so we have to borrow from the neighbor.
Okay.
And the 8 will become 7 and 4 will become 14.
Okay. Then
Ma'am, and 14 minus 7 is equal to 7.
good.
And 7 minus 6 is equal to 1.
Good.
1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Ma'am, the answer is 11.71.
Very good. All of you got this answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. Is there any doubt?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Good, ma. Write down. The next problem. Who is left? Shreya. Okay, next problem.
Hello, ma'am. Your screen
Yes,
is
ma.
stuck.
Wait. Now, observe, ma.
Yes, ma'am. It's clear.
Okay. Yes, Shreya, explain this one. D problem. You just tell
Yes.
the step.
1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, can I solve the question?
Yeah, I just ask one question to everybody. Be alert, all of you.
9.847.
No, no, no. No, ma. Here there is no mention
Ma'am, but
from.
it is the big.
No, 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 no. Hey, see here. Read this one first.
Ma'am,
Read, ma, this one. 11.6 minus.
11.6 by minus
Hmm.
9.847.
Which one is the bigger?
11.6.
That? Yeah. They mention here directly, no? You can write directly. Just tell the steps.
11.6.
In front of that, there is no value means you can put 0, 0. Okay, next step.
0,
Okay.
and 9.
9 where we have to put? Ones place or tens place?
Ma'am, 1 minute. Near that, after the point, ma'am.
Means which place this one?
1 minute, ma'am.
Ones place or tens place?
Tens.
Ones place, ma. This one ones place, tens place. This one is tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Don't confuse.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Sorry, it was confusing, so I just
Okay,
did not
here.
know that.
Okay, I just give the clue to you. It means zero, ones place or tens place. So it means in the ones place we have to put next 8, 4, 7. Okay, done.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
so
Yes.
we
Wait.
cannot. Yeah.
Yeah, tell one value only. You can tell only one value. Yes, 0 minus 7. Is it possible?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Then
From the neighbor.
okay. Then here 0 is there. How much we have to put?
Ma'am, we can borrow from the 6, ma'am.
Okay, done.
And the 6 will be 5.
Okay.
And 0 will be 10.
This 0. Okay. Then
No,
this
ma'am.
one middle 0.
Ma'am, the middle 0.
Middle 0 it become 10 na?
Yes.
No. You must remember.
Ma'am,
Be
it will
careful.
be 10, and for this first 0, you can borrow from that 10, and that 10 will be 9, and over here
No,
it will
no,
be
no,
10.
no, 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 no. Be careful, be careful. Listen here. So here 0 minus 7, it's not possible. So that's why we just move neighbor. Here also 0 is there. Okay, I just move forward. Then here 6 is there. Then 6 it become 5. Okay, here this one first 0 it become 10. In middle 0 is there, no? So this one it become 9. Don't confuse. Understood this one?
Yes, ma'am, that's what I told you.
You told next to the 5 you have to put 0. You told like that. Understood now? So in the middle
Ma'am,
we
I
have to
thought
put
that
that.
after carrying from the 6, okay,
Hmm.
the 5, it will become 5, right? And
Okay.
it will go to the middle 0, and it will
Okay.
become 10, and the first 0 will carry from that 10, and that 10 will become 9, and the first 0 it will become 10 only, ma'am.
Yes.
It will remain like
Okay,
that.
done. Okay, done. So it's clear now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, done. Okay. So, Harivardhan, 10 minus 7, how much?
Now 10 minus 7,
3.
3.
7, 10 minus 7. Yes?
3, ma'am.
3. Okay. Yes, Mahantesh, 9 minus 4.
5.
Yes, Yuvraj, 5 minus 8.
Ma'am, 5 minus 8 we can't
Subtract.
so we
Then,
have to borrow from neighbor.
then, when it become,
It will become 14.
huh?
0, ma'am.
It will
Wait,
become
wait, wait, wait.
5 will become 14.
No, how is it possible? Look at here. So we have to take borrow from neighbor, no? Here 1 is there. This one we have to less one. This one we have to, it means it become smaller.
Zero.
So 1 is there. Here it becomes 0. So here 5 is there. 15 ma. You are telling 14. How is it possible?
Ma'am, we 5 will 5 will get borrowed, no, ma'am.
Then it become
Then
14
it
or
will
15.
become 15.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, you told
15.
14. it it become 15. Is it right? Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, tell. 15 minus 8.
15 minus 8 is equal to 7.
Yes. So here 10 is there. 10 minus 9, how much? Sindhu?
Ma'am, 10
1.
minus 9 is equal to 1.
Very good. All of you got this answer. Is there any doubt? Be careful here. Here, be careful. While you are taking borrow, be careful at that moment. Okay? Yes, write down.
Completed, ma'am. Completed, ma'am.
Yes. So tomorrow you must write two tables, reverse 3 times and send to me personally. Okay, don't send in group. It will disturb to others. That's why. Is it completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, which
Okay.
table is the today one?
Two table. We have to practice and come. Tomorrow you have to tell that one. Two table. Today is one table, ma. Are you ready? Reverse
Yes,
one
ma'am.
table. Yes, tell.
Yes, ma'am. 1 tens are 10, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1
No, 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 no. One nines are 9, no? You told 2. Start from first.
1 ones are 1,
No, no, no. One tens are 10.
1 tens are 10,
9.
1 nines are 9, 1 eights are 8, 1 sevens are 7, 1 six are 6, 1 fives are 5, 1 fours are 4, 1 threes are 3, 1 twos are 2, 1 ones are 1.
Very good. Yes, Mahantesh. You already told, no?
No, ma'am. One
Yes,
tens
sir.
are 10, one nines are 9, one nines are 9, one eights are 8, one sevens are 7, one six are 6, one fives are 5, one fours are 4, one threes are 3, one twos are 2, one ones are 1.
Yes, very good. So tomorrow I just ask you two table reverse. Be alert. Okay. So remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 problems. So I just solve one problem now. Yes, sir. That is the music Swachh Bharat. Okay. See here. Third problem. Raju bought a book for 35 rupees and 35 rupees 65 paise. It means 35.65. He gave 50 rupees to the shopkeeper. Then how much money did he get back from the shopkeeper? So it means here bigger value is 50 rupees. 50 no? So 0.00. Then he bought a book for 35 rupees 65 paise, otherwise 35.65. We have to subtract this one, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Be ready, all of you. I just asked the questions to you. Yes, 0 minus 5, is it possible, Gargi?
No, ma'am. So
Ma'am,
from
we
the
have to-
5 we are gonna do it. I mean like subtract.
Yes. Then 0 minus 5 is not possible.
will be 10 and the neighboring 0 will be 9. After the another 0 will be also 9. So
Yes, good.
10 minus 5 is 5
Yes.
and 9 minus 6
Wait,
is
wait, wait,
3.
wait, wait. Stop. 3. Okay, stop. Yuvraj, tell the next step. 9 minus 5, how much?
Ma'am, 9 minus 5 is equal to 4.
Yes. Shreya, 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. Shreya is there.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. I 4 was held.
It's okay.
4
4 minus 3,
minus
how much? 3.
1.
Yes. This is the answer. Understood?
Yes, ma'am, I got the correct answer.
Yes, very good. If you get back from the shopkeeper, how much money? 14 rupees 35 paise, otherwise 14.35. Yes, just write down this one in your notebook. So remaining 4 problems is there. You just try to solve these problems in the homework book. Okay, then in tomorrow itself I just solve these. Okay, is there any possibilities evening time? Harivardhan, are you free now or now also you have classes?
Ma'am, you mean 4 to 4:45, ma'am?
But no, I just come back to my home at 4:45. It's not possible. My school is full day, that's why. Then any other timings? 5 to 6, anybody free?
Ma'am, 5 to 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, 5 to 4, 5:45. Is it possible or not?
Yes, ma'am. Possible, ma'am.
Man possible.
Yes. Shreya? Shreya? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you have class 5 to 5:45.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Monday and Thursday I have 5 o'clock dance class.
And other days,
No,
there is
ma'am.
no class for you. Saturday, other days, there
Saturday
is no
it's
class for
rare,
you.
ma'am. 5 o'clock drama class.
Oh, 3 days is there. Monday, Thursday, Saturday.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done. So Monday, Thursday, and Saturday only. I just take the class in the morning session. Okay, and I just give the clarification. Listen carefully. Monday, Tuesday, here, Wednesday, Thursday, then Friday, Saturday. Listen carefully. Monday you have class, no? Shreya, Monday, Thursday, and Saturday.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, is there any classes to you others? 5 to 5:45.
No, ma'am.
Then Harivardhan, your table tennis class start from 6 to 9, still now
Yes,
also.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done. Okay. Okay, look at here. So Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, ma. So I just take the class in the morning session. It means 6 to 6:45. Understood, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Morning
Yes, ma'am.
session. So remaining Thursday, Wednesday, and Friday. 3 days morning session, 3 days evening session. Is it okay?
Ma'am, evening
Okay,
at
ma'am.
what time?
Yes, ma'am.
5 to 5:45.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what
Is it,
about 6 to 6:45?
ma? I am telling. Listen carefully. Monday, Thursday, and Saturday morning only. It means 6 to 6:45 only. I am taking the class. So Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday evening 5 to 5:45. Is it possible or not?
Ma'am, 1 minute, I'll ask my ma'am.
Okay, you just clarify to me. Okay, understood? Okay.
Ma'am, can you keep at 6 to 6 p.m.?
Where, ma? Timing? So you just tell once again. Okay, you can send the timings in the group. I just confirm.
Ma'am,
Okay.
she said that you can you keep the class at 6 p.m. Shreya said it.
So Harivardhan has class no, that's why. There is no issue to me. Harivardhan has class. Each and
It's
every
okay,
student
ma'am.
also
5
very
o'clock.
important to me. Is it okay? So everyday morning means it's
Yes, ma'am.
boring to you also. That's why. So 3 days morning session, 3 days evening session. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done. So you must be alert. So you can write down Monday, Thursday, and Saturday only morning session. You can note down fast. Monday, Thursday, Saturday. Shreya, confirm no? This one, these days only have class in the evening session, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. It's clear. Then Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday evening class. That is 5 to 5:45. If I have meeting means I just send the message, okay? Suddenly in school they are arranging the meeting sometimes. So at that moment I just send the message to you. At that moment I just take the that class. It means that day class I just take on Sunday. If I miss that class means don't bother about that one. Yes, Telma.
Ma'am, can you do all day morning, ma'am?
Okay, then there is no issue. I can take morning session only. Yeah,
Okay,
all are
ma'am.
comfort with morning session.
Yes, ma'am.
There is no
Yes,
issue in
ma'am.
that. Okay, then there is no issue. I can manage morning only. There is no problem. Okay, done. Okay. So tomorrow, two table, all should be ready with that. Okay, take care. Bye.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Bye
Have a
bye.
nice
Take
day,
care.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.